In this tutorial, we'll be demonstrating the use of dynamic template variables. That's the ability to pass information from the launch code into your pop-up ad directly. Here's how we do it. Go to the Screen Popper Manager, and here we see that we have one active screen popper called Big Sale Monday. First, we'll have to enable the template variables. Click Pop Settings, and under the Advanced Settings, click Enable Template Variables. This will update the delivery network, making the additional code available to you for its use. Now we're going to go into the Screen Popper Editor and make the changes necessary in the pop-up itself. You can see that we have two text elements here, Big Sale Monday and Don't Miss It. Let's double-click Big Sale Monday and replace Monday with a dynamic template variable. All template variables start with the pound sign. Let's go pound, this is day, big sale, and then template variable is pound, day, pound. Double click the don't miss it, and here's where we'll use the name. Pound, name, pound, comma. Don't miss it. Update text. Click Save Changes. And while updating the delivery network, let's explain what's happening here. Now we have two text elements. It says big sale, pound, day, pound, and pound, name, pound, don't miss it. What we're going to do here is dynamically replace day and name with content passed in through the launch code. Click Done. And now let's take a look at the pop-up itself, just to see what it looks like. By clicking Home, we can see that the pop-up shows exactly what we saw in the editor. But we want to replace that data, so how do we do it? What we need to do is go to the editor. Here is the HTML for our demo page. Scrolling down to the bottom, we'll see our launch code. To add a dynamic template variable, we have to append information to the launch code. The first thing we do is put a question mark. And now we're going to use a name-value pair. You can see that the first element is done with a question mark, and its name equals Phil, and then we separate each additional name pair with an ampersand and then the template variable. In this case, it's day. Let's click Save, head back to our demo page, and click Home. Now you see the information was passed in from the launch code directly into our pop-up. Let's close the pop-up and head back into the editor. I want to show you something even more powerful. If you use a programming language like PHP, ASP, JSP, Java, or Cold Fusion, you can dynamically populate the pop-ups using this same technique. We'll use PHP in our example. Now this is content generated from PHP. In this case, I'm just making a static variable, but this could be anything, either pulled from your database or even processed dynamically on the page. All we have to do now is to take that variable and replace it here. Heading back to our pop-up, let's refresh the page. And now you can see that Lance has been replaced dynamically through a dynamic programming language like PHP. You can use this technique all throughout your website. You can use it on the home page and populate with the current date and time, or if the users have logged in or are about to purchase a product, you can customize it with information that you have stored in the database. Personalizing your pop-up makes the experience even more powerful for your users. With Screen Popper, you have the ability to personalize the user's experience. And this could have a very profound effect on your turnaround and conversions.